Hello my friend, welcome to TubeU channel. Recently, Filmora has introduced a new feature called AI Idea to Video. Currently, it is in beta testing, so let's explore what it looks like. First, you need to provide an idea. For instance, I'm in a Mission Impossible mission. Create a short action scene inspired by the thrilling style of Mission Impossible and Ethan Hunter's daring feats. You can generate a movie up to 30 seconds long, but for this test, I have selected 20 seconds. I have also chosen English as the language. Filmora supports dozens of languages, making it highly versatile. For video styles, there are 4 options available, and I have selected Realistic Style. The AI analyzes the meaning of your idea and generates several scenes for the short movie. It seems to understand the context of what I have described quite well. Let's use all the AI-generated scenes and characters for this test. For image generation, it costs 5 credits. The AI automatically generates 2 images for you to choose from. Simply select the one you prefer. Next, you can use video enhancement tools to add sound effects, auto-generate subtitles, apply transitions, and choose a voiceover from many options available.
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
Wondershare
Creativity Simplified.
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
Wondershare Creativity Simplified.
For this test, I have picked one of the voices and used a 16:9 aspect ratio for the video. After setting everything up, the AI starts generating the entire scene. Each scene costs 120 credits and lasts about 4 seconds. After a brief wait, here is the final result.
Under the cover of night, Ethan approaches the compound. Inside, Ethan encounters guards and uses quick thinking to distract them. Reaching the final room, Ethan finds the nuclear device and a hidden explosion.
Ethan's glowing blue eyes were quite striking. While some of the scenes are not perfect, the overall video matched the idea I provided. The captions and the voiceovers are impressive.
Under the cover of night, Ethan approaches the compound. Inside, Ethan encounters guards and uses quick thinking to distract them. Reaching the final room, Ethan finds the nuclear device and a hidden explosive. With moments to spare, Ethan disarms the explosive and exits.
And you can even modify the scenes if needed. For this beta test, the results are promising. Let's finalize the output. Here it is.
Under the cover of night, Ethan approaches the compound. Inside, Ethan encounters guards and uses quick thinking to distract them. Reaching the final room, Ethan finds the nuclear device and a hidden explosive. With moments to spare, Ethan disarms the explosive and exits the compound.
AI tools are making everything possible. You can now create movies entirely on your own using these innovation tools. If you find this content helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel. Your support means a lot. Thanks for watching.